Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows does not connect to Wi-Fi on startup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the solution. It has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. It says that you need to uncheck a certain setting and it has helped hundreds of users. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Click on device manager, expand network adapters, right click on the Realtek one, select properties, go to the power management tab. There's a button which says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it, click on OK, and then reboot your system. And this time when you reboot the system, you notice that it will be connected to the Wi-Fi already. But if it still doesn't help, then you can try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.